So, digital systems sometimes go wrong. This is normal. Maybe in the distant future, everything will be perfect, work first time, never anything go wrong. Experience has taught us to be a little bit skeptical about this. Some things are just not going to work well enough. The key is not to panic or give up, because there's always a solution, but it might not be the first thing you try, so just keep trying. Before you seek help, you can do one basic thing yourself. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Is the first question you will be asked, so make sure you can say yes, I've turned it off and then turned it on again. The most common problem for students is wireless not working. If you are using an iPad, turning it off and on again seems to work pretty well. For other devices, you can try forgetting the student network and trying again. Note that students are not able to connect to the network with phones and are only able to connect one device per day. And if you even try to connect with your phone, which is pointless because it won't work, this will use up your one attempt for the day. We do have on-site tech support provided by New Era. If you can't get your device to connect, or you have other problems with your account, not necessarily your device, find them in our block. It's really important to know where they are. In fact, so important that the task for this particular competency will be to take a selfie of yourself, of you standing outside the tech support office in the bottom of our block. It's on the opposite end away from the student centre downstairs. If there's a problem that is stopping you from getting work done, you need to do something about it, or you need to make it someone else's problem. All problems are solvable, you just need to keep trying.